channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to import stock market data into R using the quant mode. By the end of this video, you will be able to fetch real-time stock data and save the data for future use. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials on data analysis in R, SPSS and Python, and also like this video if you find it helpful. Furthermore, comment below which stock symbol you will analyze first. So what is stock market data? Stock market data is, why do we even need to import stock market data? Now, the reason why we are importing stock market data is because it is crucial for financial analysis. So traders make use of this data as well as data scientists, and by importing stock data in R, we could track stock price movement, perform time series analysis, and do other kinds of analysis as the case may be. So let's get started. So here are the codes. Make sure you have installed the quant mode and as well load it. So the quant mode here is a powerful package for quantitative financial modeling in R. So if you have installed and loaded it on your R, let's start it then. So for the purpose of this tutorial, we are going to be importing NVIDIA stock, and the following the codes here will help us to do that. So first of all, we are going to type in this code ticker, and this ticker here is a variable that will hold the stock symbol NVIDIA. So we control enter this. Now here we are having the start date and end date. The start date and end date will define the period for historical stock data retrieval. So now, having inputted your start date as well as your end date, you control enter for the both of them. Now you would observe by your right under your environment that all these are saved there on the values. So now let us fetch the historical data using the quant mode. Now to fetch this, we are going to use the symbol get symbols. So this get symbol here is a function from the quant mode here, and it will help us to pull out stock data from Yahoo Finance. Okay, so that is what this get symbols is doing. And so let's control enter this. All right, so it has successfully gotten the NVIDIA. Now let us extract the stock here, the stock data for NVIDIA. All right, so our data is extracted. Now we are going to convert the data to data frame and add date column, so that our data will have date attached to it. All right, so now let us convert that. So let's view the first few rows using the head open parenthesis stock underscore data close parenthesis. All right, so here we're having the few rows of our imported data. All right, so now we are having date. We're also having NVIDIA.open, NVIDIA.high, NVIDIA.low. We also have NVIDIA.close, NVIDIA.volume, and also NVIDIA.adjusted. So the date here is talking about the trading dates. The open here is telling us the price at when the market opened, and the high and the low here talks about the highest and the lowest price during the trading day. And we have close. So the close price here is the last price of the stock at the market close. And then we also have the volume here. Volume talks about the number of shares that was traded, and finally the NVIDIA.adjusted talks about the closing price adjusted for stock splits and dividends. So having imported this data, we can now save it as CSV for future use. Now we are going to use the write.csv here. So the write.csv here would help us to export the stock data to a CSV file with proper date column. So that is what we are that is why we are using this code. So control enter this. So you should know here that the role dot names here is indicated as false, since we are making use of column. Now they will print this using this code, and you can see that our stock data is saved as nvida underscore stock underscore data.csv. Now let us get the directory our data was saved in. Alright, so for me, this is the path my data was saved in. For yours, it might be a different thing, so you can now follow that path to go and locate your data. Alright, so now let's go to my document and see if this data has been saved there successfully. Alright, so this is my document, and you can see the nvida underscore stock underscore data. So let us open it. Alright, so this is what we are having here on our Excel spreadsheet. So you see our data has been successfully imported and saved on my PC, and if you are doing a follow-up of what I'm doing, this is what you should see on your PC as well. And so that is it. You have successfully imported stock market data in R, and now you can now go further to analyze the data, visualize trends, and build financial models. So in our next video, we're going to explore how to visualize this data. We're going to talk about data visualization techniques, and we're still going to talk about the time series forecasting in R, and go further to look at machine learning for stock market prediction. So let me know in the comment section which stock you would want to analyze next, and if you find this video helpful, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get instant notification once new video is uploaded. See you in the next tutorial.